Welcome to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can save your Instagram story with the music on your gallery. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So first I will upload a story over here so you guys can see that I've uploaded a story with the music. So I will just click a random photo over here and then click on the little picture looking icon at the top, the smiley little picture icon right beside AA, and I will choose music over here and I will add a random music. So I will just choose the first music. I'm just choosing a random music, alright, and I click on done. So a music has been added on my Instagram story, as you guys can see. So what I can do is click on this arrow at the bottom right, click on share, click on done, and this is going to be uploaded as my story. So my story has been uploaded along with the music. So it's loading for some time, so let's give it some time to upload. And once your story is uploaded, what you want to do is quit your Instagram and go to your search browser. And on your search browser, you want to search for this. You want to search for story saver. Now once you search for story saver like this, you can choose whichever website you want. All of them are going to do the same stuff. But I will go to the first website called storysaver.net because that's the website I'm used to. Once you're in this website, scroll a bit down. And where it says enter Instagram account username, you need to enter your Instagram's username. So if you don't know your username, just go to your Instagram and click on your profile picture at the bottom right. And where it says Richie6777, that's basically my username. And make sure your Instagram account is public, because if it is private, then this is not going to work. So make sure to turn your Instagram public, then go to the website and type the username. So my is WITCHEY6777. Click on download. Now it's going to search for my Instagram account. I'm going to verify I'm not a robot. And then my story is loading over here. Once it's done, I can click on download over here and my story will be downloaded. So it might take a bit of time to load, but after the loading is complete, you can download the story and it'll be downloaded along with the music. But if this website doesn't work, you can see there's tons of other websites. You can just choose whichever website you want. One of them is going to work. But this is basically the trick to download Instagram story with music in your gallery. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One to Step. I will see you guys next time.